Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Roblox Studio with a baseplate and server script service open. Create a script, and a bool value named is time stopped. Immediately require that you work on the server for authoritative control, because stopping time must affect physics and all players. Once done, wire the bool value to your script and set up remote events for client communication. You need them to pause particle effects and UI. Make sure to comment your steps so you can expand control later without breaking core mechanics. On the server, detect when is time stopped. Value toggles and then apply freeze changes, set workspace. Gravity to 0, and for each base part set assembly linear velocity to vector 3. New 0, 0, 0 to prevent drifting. At the same time, loop through players and set humanoid. Platform stand true, walk speed 0, and jump power 0 so characters stop immediately. Then fire a remote event that tells clients to stop animations, pause particle emitters, and freeze GUI tweens. This split approach preserves server authority while letting clients handle cosmetic pauses. To unfreeze, toggle is time stopped. Value false and reverse every modification you made, restore workspace. Gravity to its prior value, reapply velocities where appropriate, and set humanoid. Platform stand false with walk speed and jump power restored. Make sure clients receive the resume remote event so animations and particles restart cleanly. If something fails, check for missed remote event calls or race conditions. Add a debounce and verify order of operations. Finally, log freeze and resume events so you can pinpoint issues without guessing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.